Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible? Am I audible? Can anyone say yes or no so that I can understand am I audible or not? Am I like my voice is audible so that we can start? Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Prashant and Santosh, for letting me know. Yeah, cool, cool, cool. Good morning. I guess your Sunday started well. So, straight coming to the direct to the point, basic thing is we're going to discuss about three things: communication, and resume, and internships. Okay, so a lot of people have asked. I mean, I have asked the question, which one should I take, and a lot of people have answered like we need internships, which is a very most important thing right now. But before that, we need to understand that not only internships, we need the actual way, like you need proper communication, you need a resume, and then only you can go for internships, right? So without any proper way, without any proper resume, without any proper communication skills, without any proper skills, you cannot get internships. So we are going to see that, and then we will see how you can get the internship, and I'll be searching a live, okay, we'll be searching a live internship in my LinkedIn personally. So let's see how to search. And whatever the, for example, Santosh have asked, like tell me any internship in front end development. Okay, so not only front end development, I'll teach you how to search for an actual internship. Okay, that will be in the last. I'll just share my screen, just a minute. Mm, yep. So my screen is visible, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Just a minute. I'll join it in my phone so that I can see. I'll join it in my phone so that. Cool, cool, cool. And yep, my screen is visible, right? I hope it is visible. Yeah, cool, cool, cool stuff. So first, we will see what is communication, and that will be like 10 to 15 minutes. And just a minute. I'm just checking. Just a minute. Yeah, cool. So first we will be seeing about how communication works for 10 to 15 minutes. And second one is resume building. And third one is internships. And the last one, as I already told you, Punjab Kings is hiring for internship. I will tell you how to apply for it. So stay till end. Okay, stay till end. So yeah, coming to the point, I'm just asking a very basic question. what is what's your handle? So how will you answer it? Just type your answer in the comment. If someone asks you what's your handle, okay, what's your handle, what will you say? Just type your answer in the comment. Let me see how many of you are guessing correctly. And it's okay if you're wrong also, because I were also wrong when it was my first time. So it's okay if you're wrong. Just tell me one or two answer. What's your handle? Let's see how many people answers. So meanwhile, you can think, don't google it. Okay, so don't google it or do any other stunts. Just say what's your handle. Okay, websites, listening and speaking. Okay, 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 okay. So the basic thing is, if someone asks you what's your handle, you should say my name is Sudhakran. I mean, you should say your own name, by the way, because they are mentioning handle in the sense it's your name. Okay, it's your name. What's your handle? So it's a professional level English, you should know. Okay, so now coming to the point, like why it has been like that, because there are so many things like corporate English, old school English, and there are so many category of English. Like basic thing is like American and British English, right? So we call it as elevator and we call it as lift. So escalator, elevator, and so many things, right? So you need to understand where the vocabulary, you need to go through lot of unparliamentary words, as in like you should be consuming lot of vocabularies, new words. Whenever you consuming lot of new words, you will be like you should use it to other people. Okay, so that's why I just asked you what's your handle. So first one, we'll be starting with basics of English communication. So in that, the four things, obviously: speaking, reading, listening, writing. Coming to the writing part, I am sure almost 100%, almost 45 to 50 people are watching this live. Nobody writes, right? Because it is not in our practice. If you're a college student, then you will be writing your assignments, record works and everything. And apart from that, you don't write specifically to learn English, right? So it's okay, but concentrate more on speaking, listening, and reading. Okay, so what I would say is just focus on these two things. Okay, so speaking and listening, because I personally believed and my communication skills have improved because of listening. I started to listen a lot of podcasts, lot of movies, and lot of people. So eventually, one point of my time, what happened is I personally connected with only people who uses a lot of vocabularies, unparliamentary vocabularies in the sense like the non-common English words. Okay, so my friends used to talk like that. So whenever I am seeing and I am listening to them, what eventually happens is my brain acquires the vocabularies. So in that case, whenever I am talking to someone else, my brain automatically pushes that word through my speaking. So this is how it eventually happened to me. So what happens is, yes, so when someone, like a lot of people are asking questions, I will be answering your questions in last 5 to 10 minutes. Please save your questions or just drop your questions, I will be answering it. Okay, and so yeah, speaking, listening. So coming to that, listening is very important. So listen to a lot of people. Okay, consume a lot of good videos, consume a lot of good vocabulary videos. At least if you're not ready to listen to podcast or videos, go for a movie. Movies are always good. So consume a lot of movies, which is very fluent. There is a idiom called speak of the devil. How many of you know what is a speak of the devil? I'll just type it: speak of the devil. So speak of the devil, in the sense, it's a famous idiom where so many people don't know. Speak of the devil in the sense, for example, you and your friend is talking about let's say your name is A and your friend name is B, and you guys are talking about a friend called C. And suddenly, when you're guys having a conversation, and that C called you, or C is coming towards you, when you are talking about someone and they are appearing towards you, and their presence is there, then it is called speak of the devil. So you're talking about someone and suddenly they appear it to you. Okay, so that is called speak of the devil. So these are the famous idioms. So you need to know what are all the idioms, and you need to understand the basics and the high level vocabulary. You need to understand the let me tell you a small story. So what happened when I used to I don't know whether it's only with me or you guys also. When it was my childhood, like 5 or 10 years at that time, what eventually happens is, my I mean, I'm not from a very good healthy family. It's like a normal lower class middle class family. So what happens is, we never watch English films or something, but I studied in English convent school. So I know basic English. I know to speak a bit, like, no, I'm not that fluent like now, but I know to handle stuff, like basic: what is my name, what is your name, my name is Sudhakar, so and so. So what eventually happens is, um whenever I see an English movie, I feel like they're talking some other language, because what the English we are we are being taught is very difficult from them. So at that point of a certain point of time, I understood that okay, we need to improve the communication skills, because the fluency, the vocabularies they use is completely way more different than what we do, right? So that's the important thing when it comes to vocabulary. So that's why I'm telling you to consume a lot of vocabularies. Please consume a lot of vocabularies. Please go through a lot of podcasts, whatever the way you can consume a lot of why, movies or something. But why communication skills is important in the sense, it's not only that you should know English. English is a language, not knowledge. The communication you should, for example, you are going into a company. Okay, you are going as an intern or a job. This has happened with me for real. Okay, I have seen a person. I'll tell you that story now. So one guy, in my previous company, what happened is, so he's a very talented guy, but he is zero in English. So eventually what happened, there was a meeting, boardroom meeting, and we were discussing about a like ideas to improve the job, I mean to improve the company. So what happened, he had a very good idea, but he didn't know how to convey it. So I was sitting near to him, and there was one more friend sitting next to him. So eventually what happened, he said the idea in the regional language to that person, and then that person told in the board meeting, and the idea was boom, like it was very good, and it gave a good revenue. Eventually what happens is, eventually what happened was, the boardroom thought the idea was from that friend and not the one who was originally created it. So that was the issue happened with it. Okay, so when you might be having a very good idea, but if you not able to convey it to your audience, convey it to your particular member who you wanted to convey it, then it will be a very good, very great backlog to you. So that's why communication is important. Communication is not only in English. The way, basic idea of communication is, there is an idea and there are a lot of audience, and you should be able to convey this idea to the audience. Okay, so this is what important when it comes to communication. So as I already said, how to improve, I personally believe that, going through websites, reading a lot of books and everything, which can actually help you, and movies obviously will obviously help me. Then it can be helping you guys also. Okay, so when it comes to basic things, you need to have a certification of communication. So this is one of the very good website, I personally believe. I'll show you, just a minute. So let's copy this. So this website is a very good website, Allison, where you can learn a lot of free English language courses. Almost 132 free courses, and there are so much certificates are now, and you can see depends upon your work role, you can get. This is for hotel reception and front desk and effective business communication. I would recommend you guys to take this. And see, like how you can talk to a customer service and call center. Okay, just 2 to 3 hours maximum, like just 2 to 3 hours, you can get a certificate. You can start learning. It's not a harm, right? So this is where you have to improve it. This is where you have to improve it. Just spending 2 to 3 hours, you're going for a movie, you spend a lot of money for a movie and a mall, but why not 2 to 3 hours for a free course certification and get a certificate added in your resume? I personally rejected 3 to 4 resume because those are completely blunt. There is no certificate in that. Then how I can approve that resume for my company, right? So for my team, because I'm a marketing head, so I sometimes hire people for other company, other departments as well. So at that time, how I can suggest that. And I feel so pity for them because they are in desperate need of job. But what eventually happens is they don't have enough skill. We can't hire them, right? So they should have enough skill. They should have certificates and everything. So you guys can go through this. There are a lot of free courses. See, certificate. There are a lot of free courses. Just 2 to 3 hours max, 3 to 4 hours. You can get a lot of certificates. See, almost 132 plus courses. Music and gender. You can learn it in your own way. Like different. There are different pages, so you can go through that. And here are the English language vertical, like diploma. You can get A1 level, A2 level. I guess these are paid, I guess, if I'm not wrong. But this is also a very good paid courses, because you get certificate from Cambridge. So Cambridge is I also have a Cambridge certificate from Beck, BEC, business English communication. I have a certificate with a distinction within that. And so that I can show my resume, I can prove that my HR to, like, this is my communication level. You can, so they won't be questioning me. Okay, so okay, he have a certificate, so I shouldn't question them. That's what the idea will on the HR's head. So there are a lot of things in here. You can get a certificate, Cambridge level certificate. See, benefits of Allison certificate, and you can improve your career. Okay, so I'll be just giving you this in the broadcast channel link, so please stay tuned till that. And now let's go to, just a minute, yeah, let's go to resume building. So when it comes to resume building, four things are really important. First one, you need to have a proper skill. Okay, so in that skill you need to have a website link. Yeah, just wait for some time, I will be giving the website link as well, and all the website link all together. Okay, I will be pasting that in my broadcast channel, I'll be doing that. Okay, and yeah, resume building. So first one is skills. So first of all, you need to understand what skill you need to consume. So in order to understand what skill you need to consume, you should know that which department or which area or which field of thing you gonna work. For example, I love cricket, so I'm gonna work in cricket. Okay, so eventually my friend loves computer engineering, so he wanted to go to computer engineering related job, so I need to develop skills according to that. So this is how you can segregate the skills. So many people ask me questions like, bro, I don't know what to study, I don't know where to get the job. Then go to Google and search which job will, boom in 2024 and upcoming years. Learn according to that particular genre. Okay, so that's what I would recommend you. Okay, skills, those skills will be giving the certification. So with that skill there are a lot of for example, front end development. If I search for front end development, okay, so this is how I create content also. I'm just spamming my own content creation life. See, front end dev course free certificate. Okay, so if I search like that, there will be a lot of courses will be appearing. And if I go through one, see, so if I go here, see, you can get enrolled for free. It's a complete free certificate, front end development HTML. Like probably it's just 2 hours, like 2 hours, right? So at that time I can get certificate. Also, I can know what is. Obviously, I would not say you will be learning about completely. They have just mentioned like front end development HTML. Okay, only HTML. You will be learning about basics and everything. Okay, so this is how you gonna learn the particular skill, and there will be lot. See, I'm not even like, I'm just showing the live right now. So here it is 12 hours completion certificate is there. You can learn it completely for free. So when there is, so everything is free in internet. Okay, I mean, if it is self-paced, okay, there are paid courses, paid job assurance courses. That is like, you'll be guided, you will be given a 100% assurance job. That is different, this is different. So if you want to increase, if you want to improve your knowledge, then you can see there are a lot of things. See, 90 days of access to a free course. You can get certificate 12 hours. If you learn for 3 hours every day, you'll be completing this in just 5 days. Not even 5 days, it's a 4 days. I'm just telling you, 5 days, so that someday you feel like, okay, let's give a day rest. Okay, so you'll be learning about getting GitHub, HTML and registration form, CSS, JavaScript, React, JS, Angular. So why can't we do that? This is what my question is. Everything is there in Google, why can't we do that? It's very simple, right? So that's what my thing that's what my idea is. I have seen like multiple resume. Those resumes are very blunt. It'll be like skills. In that skills, leadership, communication, and I'm good at speaking. That's the skills. And when it comes to projects, they'll be mentioning 2 projects that I have done in mini projects and final year projects. That's it, 2 projects. And the whole resume will be very empty. Who will give the job? No one will consider the resume. So you need to have the content in the resume. You need to have what I can, like, if I see the resume, if, as a hiring manager, like I do hiring also, as a hiring person, my first view will be going to skills. What skills he have according to the job description. Okay, so what skills I have, and then projects. And so having only skills and certification will not give you job. You need to have the projects also. For example, if I am learning front end development, for example, I was showing you, right, front end development, GitHub, HTML and other things as well. So if I am giving that particular project, okay, sorry, that particular skill, and let's say if I have created a project on that, I have created a website on the particular skill. I have used my HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a form, and I have used a Git and GitHub for a particular website, and that is my project. And I still have that website, and I'm putting that website link in my resume. So if I'm a hiring manager hiring for a front end development intern, my first will be going to skill, and then I'll be going to certificate. Okay, you have got the front end development certificate, and then I'll be going to project. Why? In the sense, okay, he have learned, I should know that whether he will be actually knowing the skill, because there are a lot of people who just like just like, just like in the sake of getting the certification, they'll be like, skip, they'll be skipping the video and answering the assignment from the Google, and then they'll be getting the certificate. There is no point of getting that certificate. You need to consume the information what the videos are about to consume the information, get the certification, do a project, put the project in the resume. This is the actual process of a learning a skill. Okay, lot of people doing the courses just to get the certificate. That's how it is not gonna work. Okay, so certification skill, you should have a proper skill. Can we get any sample resume? I will be sharing the sample resume in my broadcast channel. Okay, noted. Thank you for letting me know, Sashank. And now, yeah, I'll just cover up the basic process. You are going to find your own interest, skill, and then certification, and then project. So this is the hierarchy of the thing. Last one important stuff: portfolio website. So many people don't know what is portfolio website, which is heart shaking, because see, in recent study, out of 10 people, only 2 to 3 people are having portfolio. Okay, portfolio is a recent modern time resume. Please have a portfolio. You cannot send PDF or document a resume to everyone. Instead, send link of your own resume, of your own website. Okay, if you like, if 10 people sending your resume and you send your resume and your link, you will be prioritized, I'm telling you. Because I am personally hiring so many people for my company. When it comes when they ask me, so if in that case, what happens is, my my mind will think like, who is outstanding. Okay, if you are outstanding, then definitely you will be the one who prioritize, and then you'll be shortlisted. So if you have a very basic knowledge about these stuff, then I'm really sorry that you cannot crack any internship or any jobs. So portfolio website is very important. Go to my last yesterday video reel. I have created how to make a portfolio website. So watch that reel, go to the link in my broadcast channel or in my link in bio or in my story as well. Create your own portfolio website today and add it in your resume, please, because it's a really very very important stuff. Just give me a minute. Let me see if I have my resume. I'll be showing that. I don't think so it will be in this computer, but let's see. uh, you know meanwhile, just type how many of you guys have portfolio. Just let's see how many of you guys have portfolio. Let's see. I cannot show the my resume because it has my mobile number. So I'm really sorry, but I'll be sending my own resume. Okay, my own resume in the broadcast channel. I'll be posting that, and I'll be create a portfolio website. Just a minute. Let me see if I have any empty resume. How many of you guys have portfolio website? Yeah, portfolio website. I have made a Akansha, I have made a video yesterday. Please go through that. Okay, and once you go through that, you will know how to make a portfolio website. Okay, cool stuff. Okay, sorry, I have all the resume with my phone mobile number, so that's why. Okay, so now let's. I hope everyone understood with the resume building, how to build your resume. Rest everything is completely your name, your language, it's of third priority. P1 priority is skills, certification, projects, portfolio website. These are the all good priorities. Now coming to the internship part, this is where the most important thing is. Okay. Yeah, so where so many people have asked me. Okay, so now different way of approach. So everyone asking me how to apply for internships, and whenever I post an internship, you just go to there and apply. Okay, that's a good practice, by the way. But I would say, like, are you definitely sure about applying in that job? Okay, you should know what is the job description is. If you are learning for a job description, you should know, okay, this is what I am looking for. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, and is this the job description matches that? Okay, so if in that, what is the rounds for internship, I'll tell you. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. So yeah, so coming back to the approach of internship, you should, there is a job description. I hope everyone knows what is a job description, because in that internship website they'll be putting a paragraph like roles and responsibilities. That is called actual job description. Okay, so job description, you should know that those skills are matching my job description. If that is yes, then only you will be getting selected. Because if I'm posting a related data science internship is hiring so and so companies, and you are from a different background, you just know HTML and CSS, and you just post about, like, you just post like, you just apply for it, and you just apply for it, and you will be like, I'm not getting it. Obviously you won't get it, because they are being hiring for data science, and you are from HTML and CSS. Okay, so you are from HTML and CSS, and you don't have the skills of data science, then how you can expect them to hire you, and how you can expect me to get you a job? Okay, so these are the basic ideas. Because there are so many people asked in the comments of that, those particularly, they'll be not hiring, simply waste of time watching this reel, so and so, blah blah blah. But my question is very simple and humble question is, if you have the right skill, obviously they're gonna hire you. They are asking for a data science internship, and you have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and how you can expect them to hire you when you don't have the particular skill? Okay, so that is my question was. So once it is done, okay, so you should need to understand where which skills to apply. Okay, so these are the different way you should approach it properly. So if you know proper skill, okay, front end development, data science, so if in that case, you should need to apply it on that particular internship only, then only you will be getting a job. Okay, if you applied also, then comes your resume. Okay, so you have applied for a data science internship, and you mentioned that you have a skills on data science, and you applied a resume. In that resume there is no data science skill, so at that point also you will be getting rejected. Okay, so coming to that's how the common mistakes arise. So these are the very common mistakes. So you will be either doing mistakes in applying for a wrong internship, or you will be applying Sherry ready of education qualification you apply for. Yeah, obviously resume is all about your what you're pursuing, right? Education qualification is also important. That's a P2 priority. P1 priority is your skills. Sometimes like some very rare companies like Zoho doesn't care about your education qualification, they just care about your skills. There are so many companies who don't care about your CGPA, or who don't care about your um, education background or stuff. They just want your skills. Okay, so I'll be making a video also about that. Companies don't care about your CGPA and your education background, they just care about your skills. I'll be making a video, probably that will be released tomorrow or Wednesday. Okay, so or Tuesday as well. Yeah, coming to the common mistakes, the first mistake is applying for a wrong internship, and the second mistake, applying with a wrong resume. Okay, have minimum five types of resume. Okay, have minimum five types of resume is important. You cannot apply same resume to all the jobs. You have to apply different resumes. For example, if two of the companies, okay, let's say there is a thing called ATS system, application tracker system, application tracking application, I guess. Yeah, ATS. So ATS resume, so what happens is that particular automation will scan your resume, and if that is if that ATS is satisfied your resume, then it will be selected. If it is not, that will be rejected. So for example, if two companies use the same ATS method, and you are applying for all the companies with same resume, and those two companies with the same resume will get rejected. But eventually, if you have multiple resumes, so what eventually happens is, okay, like there are high chances that one resume will be getting rejected and one resume will be getting passed. Right now here the probability is 50-50, either pass 50% pass or 50% fail. But if you apply with one resume to all the jobs, then there is a possibility of getting rejected 100%. These are the common mistakes. Okay, so have minimum 5 resumes. Multiple, just change the arrangements and change the different. If let's say you have 5 projects, okay, 5 projects, in first one resume you can put 3 projects, in one resume you can put two projects, in one resume you can put 4 projects. Depends upon that, you have to do it. Okay, so that's how the common mistakes works. And apart from the common mistake, other common mistake is submitting the wrong resume and showing the fake experience. Do not show the fake experience because you will be black marked. Okay, please do not show the fake experience. Show the proper experience. And if you don't have the experience, also internships is all about gaining experience and not showing experience. Most of the companies intern will not be asking any experience. It will be completely freshers only. Okay, just give me Alka, Nagpal and Shiva, because we are discussing something, and if you guys are asking questions and I have to divert it from the topic, so I'll be giving a particular 10 minutes 15 minutes doubt clarification session after this, and then we will be focusing on the questions. Okay, I'm sorry, please wait till the session. It's almost over, just 10 minutes more and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, now coming to common mistakes, do not show the fake experience because that'll be a great black mark. Okay, so when you show this fake experience and you say like I have experience, and they'll be like, okay, you are hired, you will be hired. And when you go to the office, work with them, then they will come to know that you don't have a proper experience, you just lied it. Then they will slowly start to take steps of firing you. That is a way more very very bad situation. So please don't show the fake experience. Do not apply for the wrong internship. Do not apply with wrong resume. Do not show fake resume, sorry, experience. So these are the common mistakes I personally feel that you guys are, I mean, we guys are doing it. I was also doing that, by the way. Okay, now let's go for LinkedIn live search. Okay, so just give me a minute, I will just reshare just a minute. Yeah, so I'll just open my LinkedIn. Please make sure that you guys have a LinkedIn profile, by the way, because LinkedIn profile is a very must. So need to understand having that. Just I'm just sharing my LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn as well. You can just I hope it is visible. LinkedIn is visible, right? Can anyone say yes or no if that works, or it is just a black screen? Is my LinkedIn is shown? Okay, just a minute. Okay, okay. Yeah. Um, for me, it is actually just a minute. Probably, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. So please, we have to wait for a minute, I guess, because it's taking a bit time. Yeah, I guess it will be there in a minute. Yeah. So coming to please have a LinkedIn profile. Okay, LinkedIn, please have a LinkedIn profile, and then please update your skills, and please have all the proper necessary stuff. Okay, and now, so you can see there are a lot of ideology behind this. Just a minute. Uh, so here is the, yeah. This is where you're gonna do all the stuff. Okay, this is where you're gonna do all the stuff. So you can see. Just a minute. Oh, it's okay. It's loading, I guess. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's loading. Please wait for a minute. It's loading. It'll be here in 2 minutes, I guess. So I don't know why it's taking so much of time. So why LinkedIn profile is very important in the sense, as a HR or as a hiring manager, everyone will look into the particular thing. I mean, the recent profile is like LinkedIn only. Everyone started to more focus more on LinkedIn. I don't know why it's taking so much time. I mean, in my YouTube, it's actually visible, and I don't know why it is not visible over there. I mean, in the live, because I'm also watching my live. I guess it is visible right now. I guess if I'm not wrong, right? So now visible, right? Yeah. Yeah, cool. So this is where you gonna start your ideology. This is called this is where you gonna start your job search. There is a home, my network, jobs. Okay, so click the jobs. Okay, I'm showing it in my laptop. In mobile, it will be like in the top bottom right corner. Okay, bottom right corner. So what happens is, let's say I'll be searching. Okay, so search by title, skill, or a company. Okay, let's see which skill I want to search. Any comments? Comment, guys, which skill I want to search. First comment will be the one I'll be searching. Let's see who comments first. Let's see who comments first. The first comment I'll be searching. Okay, product manager, Srihari Reddy. I'm sorry, guys. Product Srihari Reddy got it. Okay, so product manager. Okay, so if I search for it, I'm just searching product manager. So there are a lot of things here about product manager and everything. You can see associate product manager. If you are a fresher, please go for associate product manager. Okay, so now there are few things you need to understand. There are so many filters here. Okay, so jobs, fine. This is a jobs. Date posted, please put it for past 24 hours. Okay, see, these are the companies which is actively hiring. So over 100 applicants. If you go for this also have 100 applicants. Over 100. These are the high paying jobs, by the way. See, 50 applicants, 61. You can see 35 applicants. So you need to apply where the competition is less. Okay, you need to understand where the yeah, this competition is less. Varaprasad Perla have mentioned eat, sleep, game, repeat. I don't think so, bro. Like, we need to have money. We need to feed our family. Come on. Okay, now experience level. Experience level, this is where it happens. Internship, entry level, associate, mid senior levels, director, executive. If you are a very basic, I would search for internship. See, only three results. Look at the rate. Okay, look at the competition going on. See, okay, look at the only 9 applicants. So SAP, ABD, assistant product manager, only 9 applicants. This is a very good where you can get easily selected. Like, it will be very, so this is how it gonna work. Okay, and company, you can select your own company, or remote if you want on site, if you want hybrid, if you want remote job, you can select on your own. On site is the where you gonna work there, and hybrid is like 10 days in office, 20 days in my home. That's how hybrid works, and remote is completely work from home. Okay, and easy apply is very simple one, just clicking apply and then you can apply it. Okay, this is how you actually gonna search. Okay, now let's see for web designing or Python developer. Second one is web designing, I guess, right? So let's for web development, web developer. I'm just searching web developer internship, web developer intern. Okay, so now you can see there are 65 results here, and there are so many past 24 hours, only 20 applicants. And you can see Android developer, it's like only 15 minutes left, only 15 applicants. 1 minute, one person is hiring. Okay, so this is the very very competitive field. Okay, So fullstack.net, you can see over 100 because of 18 hours of applicants. And then senior level Java web developer, you know, so, so and so. Okay, so it depends upon your own interest. This is how you have to search properly. So let's say if I'm searching for this, okay, and if I know a proper web designing and I know HTML, CSS, GitHub and stuff. If you see, this is called job title. Okay, this is called job title, where you will know what you want to do. Okay, and these are the responsibilities. Make sure that you are having a proper like for example, they have asked yeah, application performance and ensure responsive across the various devices. You should have the ideology. What is that? Okay, develop, clean, maintain an efficient code in Kotlin and Flutter. Main thing is that you should know what is Kotlin and Flutter. You can't apply for this if you just know only web design, web development, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript or anything. Okay, so that is how. Okay, what exactly is easy apply? It's nothing but Prashant, just because he said easy applies is nothing but you are directly hiring from LinkedIn. You just get for example, if you click easy apply, I'm just clicking easy apply. Oh, see, sorry. Okay, so if you just click easy apply, what eventually happens is, once you are gonna like for example, let's say you'll be directly applied through what is that, in LinkedIn. Whereas normal application is like you'll be redirected to the career develop that particular website, and then you'll be getting that particular you know uh, application. Okay, easy apply is nothing but you just directly applying through LinkedIn. You're just gonna give your details, resume, and then apply. But normal application is nothing but you just gonna divert it, I mean redirect it to the website, and then you will be going through that. Okay, so this is what easy apply is, Prashant. And now yeah, so this is how you want to search for internship. Okay, I hope everyone is a bit clear about internships and everything. And yeah, cool. So right now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna just a minute. I'm just going to show to apply for this one, the internship from Punjab Kings internship. Okay, and then we will see questions and answer. Just a minute. Okay, so Punjab Kings is hiring. Okay, this is the screen. I hope it will be visible in next 10 or 15 seconds. Punjab Kings is hiring for a sports manager, sports course management. So you can just go through the link. Okay, I'll be sharing this link as well. I'll be sharing the link. So you just have to enter your full name and your age and your email and your phone number, full address. Are you based in Chandigarh? Yes, no, but willing to move at own cost, because they wanted to, travel with them. If you go to Chandigarh, then they will be traveling, taking care of everything on their own. Like if you want to travel to, for example, Chennai versus Punjab, then you have to travel from Chandigarh to Punjab, sorry, Chandigarh to Chennai. Then it will be they'll be taking care of that. You just have to start to go with them, start to move and work on, and field of interest you can choose on your own. See, marketing, events, operation. It's not about tech, but if you want, you can search for that. Experience, if any, in field. If you have any experience, then you say yes, you can. And do you have a vehicle for commute? Yes, depends upon, you can. So this is the internship recently posted about Punjab, and how I got this is not a fake or something, because I got it from a person, he is the sports event manager in Punjab IPL team. Okay, so that's why I'll be sharing this link in my broadcast channel, so you can access it. Okay, so now the question and answer. Now you can shoot your questions. I'll be answering it. First, let's answer what are the questions. Yeah, this intern is not a based on technical stuff, Praneeth. It's just about marketing, event, and operations. Who wants to work with the IPL team, who have interest. And if you want to meet, like, cricketers like Virat Kohli, Dhoni, then you can go for it. And there are so many questions actually. Yeah, internship for Abhishek, like as I actually told you, you can search for internships like whatever the way I showed you on the live. Like I literally showed you how to search for it, right? So please go through it, and yes, I'll be sharing Vinay. I'll be sharing the ATS friendly resume in my broadcast channel. Okay, please go to my broadcast channel, join my broadcast channel, and join. Please subscribe on YouTube as well. Can we do internship in second year? Obviously, you can do in your second year. Depends upon the uh, skills you have and rounds. Yeah. So coming to this, internship will be very less process and rounds, because it is not a full-time work, it is a contractual basis. So if you want a proper internship, what eventually happens is you will be applying and they'll be asking you one round. Okay, so what I'm just telling you what we are doing in our company. So one round of internship we'll be doing. Okay, first one is a just normal telephonic interview, and second round is like we'll be testing your skills in Google Meet. Okay, so let's say if you are very good at programming, then we'll be like, okay, giving you five like two or three questions, and we'll be asking you to solve it in the live session. And if you are very good at marketing, then we'll be asking you to finish we'll be giving you a particular campaign task, and then we'll be asking you to complete that also. So this is how and then it's direct hiring. The HR will be talking to you, and then it's a direct hiring. These are the process. You will be having a telephonic interview and a skill test. That's it. And I hope that's a process. Forestry internship, say about these high. So forestry internship, I don't have much idea about that, but it will be of government side, and basically and definitely be an on-site internship, I guess. So maybe you can enroll in all the government websites, and maybe you can try that. Which language is good for DSA? I would say Python and Java, both are good. And if you're ready to if you're ready to put a lot of pressure on you, then go for C++. It is important to post. Just a minute, I'm answering one by one. Important to post the project in LinkedIn. Yes, it is definitely important to post, because I got my first project of $500 in LinkedIn, from Malaysia, through LinkedIn. Okay, on before like 3 or 4 years I was doing programming. At that time I got my machine learning project. So can you share the resume for freshers? Yes, I'll be sharing my resume for freshers in my broadcast channel. I'll be doing it after the live. I want us to say, yes, you can search for watch the live again, and then you can see how to apply, search for it. And implement, bro, I just now did. Please watch the live again, then you can know how to search for it, right? Does online degree has same scope as regular degree program? What the right now, what I think is online degree has, because a lot of companies are hiring students who have degree program. Because after college, so many companies are saying like uh, online, there are online programs, right? A job assurance program, and they are getting placed also. So if in that case, if my calculation is not wrong, companies are preferring those candidates also, right? So that's why it is important, it has equal scope. And by which app you are broadcasting in your live and sharing your screen? Bro, it's YouTube Studio only. It's YouTube Studio. Santosh have asked, bro, are you currently working as a hiring manager? No, I'm not working as a hiring manager. I'm a marketing head. If my team needs for any hiring, so I'll be hiring them. That's why. What is a booming job in 20 years? What I learned from basics and will. Okay, so if you're from BTech, and will course join in BTech. So if you want to join in BTech Srihari, then I would suggest you to learn AI and ML and data science, and um, there's blockchain. So these are the important things you can learn. Suggest. Oh, sorry, just a minute. I lost the track. Just a minute. Implement. Okay. Yeah. So suggest how to improve aptitude. Yes, I'm making a video for aptitude. I have already shot the video. It's just I have to post it. So I'll be posting a like free website list and everything, so you can get it from as usual commenting, and you can get and start preparing. I've just created a proper guide to improve your aptitude. So project in UA, UX and web development. Project, I guess there is a website called projecttunnel.com, if I'm not wrong. Project Tunnel. I just typed the website name, Project Tunnel. Okay. So in this website, you can get free projects. You can download the files and then you can go for it. Okay, learn from it. Don't put the same project in your resume. You will get caught because you don't know how the project has been made. So download the project, make on your own with that by with the help of that project, and then you can do it. Okay. And how to approach mang. So mang companies right now, I would suggest not to approach, because mang companies hiring is very competitive. I would suggest you to go for startups. Does package depends on DSA solving? Yes, package depends on DSA solving. Best example is TCS. There are three packages. One is 3.2 LPA, one is 6.2 LPA, and 11.5 LPA. So if you are able to crack very good, there'll be two questions, and each will be having five test cases. If you solve only one question, three test cases, then you will be put in then you'll be in the ninja 3.5 LPA. If you solve one question, then you will be in the 6.5 LPA. If you solve two questions or 1.5 questions, then you will be in the 11 LPA. So package definitely depends upon DSA solving in top companies. Project in UA UX, and yeah, same project, go to the project tunnel website and then you can do it. And project in, yeah, I need link. May I know what link? I lost. Okay. The forestry internship, right? Okay, just give me a few days. I'll be posting that in my story or in my broadcast channel link as well. Project in UI UX design and web development. Same. I've just shared the website name. Please go for that. How to approach? Okay. Is aptitude more important for placement? Our college is forcefully teaching since my first year. Yes, obviously, if you want to, place in top companies, you need to have aptitude. Or else startups mostly they don't ask unless and until you work on aptitude related, uh, you know, round. I mean, job roles. But learning aptitude is important. Does Java developer have scope in future? Yes, they have. Java is like evergreen, bro. It like you will be getting a lot of scope. And would you please suggest any website to improve communication skills by reading books? PDF.com, PDF, yeah, PDF drive.com, and Coffee PDF. These are two other websites. You can go Coffee PDF and PDF Drive. There'll be a lot of books. You can download literally any books from there. Is virtual internships are considered or not? Yes, virtual internships are also considered. Just a minute. Yeah, virtual internships are also considered. You can go for it. I lost the track again. So many questions. Yeah, automation testing has any future? I would say no, because automation testing is gonna be replaced by robot. So please start switching. Uh, Okay, sorry. Wait, automation testing. Yeah, automation testing as future. I thought it's manual testing. Automation testing as future. I'm really sorry. Hi, any free Java and Python resource? Same, bro. Just go for watch my live again. I have showed how to search for those things. Just watch how to search for free courses. You will get it. Watch my live again. You will get it. How to? Okay. I just answered. Is it difficult to learn DSA with CSS compared? Yes, CSS C++ is very difficult compared to Java and Python because it's very kind of raw, sort of. So is there any chance that tier three college students can place in big companies? Yes, you have enough skills, and also you cannot expect off on campus hiring. You have to go for off campus hiring. So that's how it's gonna work. And Deloitte is hiring for off campus, so you can go for it. And English made me to improve my communication skills. Thanks a lot, bro. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for it. My aim is very simple. I just need to transform life of students. That's it. Whatever I got, I need to give it back to the students. That's it. Can you please share non-IT internship which is useful for electronics and do a reels on that? Okay, I'll do that. Noted. Non-tech internship. Yes, noted. So one thing. Okay, noted. Got it. Got it. I'll be definitely making it. One more thing I was thinking. Yeah, companies who don't value CGP and skills. Okay, these two ideas. Okay, got it. I'll be making a video. Okay, and then which company do you work for? I work for a company called Prepinsta. It's a edtech, and I'm a marketing head there. And roadmap for web development. See, there is an interesting website, roadmap.sh. This is an interesting website. If you go here and put your topic, it will be giving you roadmap with proper resources as well. Go to the website and you can get any roadmap. Okay, what job opportunity can get into after completing BBA in human resources management? Basically, it's online mode of education. So if you're going for human resource management, then obviously you should search, internship in human resources, and maybe in operations as well, if you can try. And apart from that, I would not prefer you to apply for HR, sorry, a tech role, because you'll be getting rejected. Obviously, you need to search whatever you have, right, on your resume. So how to approach Mang, I already answered, I guess. Electrical engineering, which course I do for best package? I'm not getting the question. Electrical engineering, which course I do for the best package? I'm not getting. I'm really sorry. Like, maybe um, just a minute. Suggest some projects on Power BI and SQL. Same. Go to the project. I have mentioned project tunnel. So go to that website and you just enter whatever the thing you want. You will get a project file for free. Okay, learn from it. Bro, what project build? I have no idea, but okay. Front end, I have no idea what project. Okay, so if in that case, what I would suggest you to do is search which projects are having more scope. Everything you need to Google it. Okay, even if you ask me, I will also Google it and I will let you know. So how to Google in the sense, just search 2024 trending projects in web development. There will be a lot of projects. Okay, or like look around you, observe around you, and you will be facing some problem. Okay, let's say you will be not having a website for searching a movie for free to watch online. Create that. Okay, create the get an API from other Netflix or any other proper you know like some other websites. Embed in that website, create a proper website. It'll be fun for you also, right? So this is how you're going to create project, and that will be actually a proper resume. It's a worthy for your resume. If I'm doing different course learning, other courses is, if I am doing different course learning, other course is useful. I am not, if I'm not wrong, Shriari is asking like, if I'm doing a course and simultaneously, if I do other courses, is it useful? Yes, it is definitely useful. Expanding your knowledge will not be a waste. It will be definitely useful. Expand your knowledge as much as you can. So need a roadmap for web development, please go to the website roadmap.sh. You can get it. Okay, and need a roadmap. Okay. I just lost. Mm. The startup companies give stipend. Oh, just a minute. I just resources. Okay, I'll make a video for that. Which company do you work? I work for Prepinsta. I already mentioned, I guess. And just a minute, I'm losing the count. Okay, here. What's your education qualification? My education qualification, I have studied computer science engineering. Okay, so let's cover the important questions only. Any tips for interview questions? Bro, I have literally posted a lot. Don't worry, I'll be posting again tomorrow. Okay, not tomorrow, Tuesday. I'll be posting there'll be a free master class where they are teaching about internship questions. I'll be doing that. Okay, the startup companies give stipend. I'm not really know about any like particular startup, but there are every startup companies give stipend for internship. And okay, Vaishnavi, please watch my live again. Okay, you will be getting the question how to search for a resources concept related to data engineering courses for free. Summer internship, I'll be posting that. I've already posted that one once. That is like went 1 million recently views. Again, I'll be posting few more internship once. Okay, I guess, like it's been like 1 hour. I'm continuously talking for 1 hour. My abdomen is kind of paining. So right now we are about to end, and I'm really sorry if I couldn't, answer your questions. Just a minute. Any sense of job handicapped in MNC companies? Yes, obviously, bro. It's not about handicap, bro. It's about your skill. Okay. Um, skill Java. Okay. I would like to play text. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure, sure. You can definitely go for it. Okay. Yeah. It's not about how it's actually happening. If you have skills, you're good to go. So sample resume I will be posting in my broadcast channel. So I have one doubt. I have intermediate Java front-end development. I know Django, bro. My doubt which domain I should go. So I would suggest you to master one domain and go for it. For example, if you know intermediate Java and if you're just starting Django, then I would go for intermediate Java and make it as a master in Java. But if you have a Django, proper Django knowledge, then you can go for Django, right? So yeah. So thank you for joining this live, and I hope you gathered a lot of. Okay, last question is lead. Lead code and GitHub is mandatory. It is an added value. Please have it. How to improve communication skills, I've already told you. I've taken the live. Please watch my live. My throat is getting sore. I'm really sorry. I have to end this live. And thank you for joining, and see you guys in the next live. And I'm planning to post videos also in upcoming days, so please share it with your friends and have a good Sunday. And I hope this 2024 is good for you, and see you guys in the next live with new topic, maybe next placement preparation. How to next my next will be placement preparation, aptitude learning and everything, and how companies, the process of placement preparation and everything. Okay, so see you guys in the next live, and until that, I'm leaving. Okay, bye bye.